4 minutes ago, reported wind shear.
Yeah. Just in case, wind shear toggle, no configuration check. Alright.
Party 10-6000.
10-6000, labor at the time.
Prepare for arrival. Barra.
407, contact director
126.3, seat belts, minimum, runway condition,
reduce further 220.
water brake, medium, check the scope.
Super 039, contact director 126.10.
126.10, 039.
Back tower 1205, okay.
Copy traffic 120.45, g'day, Jetstar 407.
Jetstar 457, descend 3000.
Descent to 3000, Jetstar 457.
Director, Cebu 039, descending 6000, information Bravo.
Cebu 039, heavy Sydney director, descend to 3000.
Descend to 3000, Cebu 039 heavy.
Speed 230 knots on 3000.
Cebu 039, speed 190 knots.
190 knots, Cebu 039.
Speed 190 knots and flaps 1, speed check. Speed brakes.
Cebu 039, turn left heading 330.
Left heading 330, Cebu 039.
Left 330.
Cebu 039, turn left heading 300.
Left heading 300, Cebu 039 heavy.
Left heading 300. Flaps 2, sir.
Cebu 039, resume normal speed.
Normal speed, Cebu 039. Speed check.
Check.
Laps 2.
Speed 180
Jetstar
initially.
457, your number 2 to a BizJet, contact a tower in 120.5 today.
120.45, Jetstar
Speed
457, g'day.
managed. Check.
Cebu 039, turn left heading 270, intercept localizer runway 25. Clear ILS approach.
Heading 270, intercept localizer, clear ILS approach, Cebu 039.
Heading 270 and lock blue. Speed managed to intercept ILS localizer 25.
Cebu 039, information Delta, QNH 1002.
1002, information Delta, Cebu 039 heavy. 280, 20 gusting 30. 1002. Temperature 8.
Gear down. GS star for altitude 3000. Flaps 3. Speed check. Flaps 3. Check.
Chinese 735, expedite descent. Cebu 039, a floatable express jet has just flown around on runway 25. Cebu 039, A320 ahead of you, and he's also going around, that's 2 go around ahead of you.
Copy, Cebu 039.
Flaps full. Speed check.
Chinese 735, turn right heading 180, descend to 3000. Chinese 735, correct. Cebu 039, be advised, the aircraft ahead is a wind shear escape. Contact tower 120.5.
120.5,
China.
Tower, Cebu 039, establish altitude 5 right.
Cebu 039, heavy tailgate. And just be advised, the preceding arrivals conducted a wind shear escape, and the one prior to that went around short final due to also wind shear.
Copy, that's Cebu 039.
The wind 280 degrees, 25 knots, crosswind 15, clear to land.
You're closer.
Yeah, it's good.
You will be the next aircraft to depart. Just advise you're happy to go after the arrival.
We're happy to go.
Okay, expect that, thank you.
lang.
500.
Check.
Okay. Commentary lang.
Okay.
Be aggressive on your flight director.
Roger.
400.
Wind is headwind.
Land.
Check.
725,
Center 9.
Flight directors.
300.
Commentary lang.
Chinese 735, yes, you are clear for the ILS approach.
Target.
Minimum.
Continue.
Check.
Speed.
Go around.
Go around taps. Quantum SRS now.
Simple 039 going around.
Final
Zip line gears.
copy, make standard this approach.
Gear up.
Eastern 735, continue the approach. Just be advised the preceding 3 arrivals have all conducted missed approaches due to wind shear.
Reverse line.
Check.
First line button.
You can use autopilot so that we can minimize our overflow. Thank you.
Thank you. AB2.
Check.
RS 25, climb 1242 to 3000.
Or as directed by ATC. Yan lang naman eh.
Check. We are on 242.
Check.
Cebu 03910, left heading to 180.
Left heading 180, so let's return na.
Ikaw sir, gusto mo ikaw na mag-approach?
Ha?
Or no?
Pwede.
Okay lang sa akin.
O sige, ako naman.
Sige. You have control?
Okay, yun. Sige, I have control.
You have control. Heading 180 3000.
I have control, communication.
Check ko lang yung lahat. Tapos makikita.
Lakas talaga eh.
Oo sir.
Cebu 03910, left heading 090.
Left heading 700, sir, so 0300.
Okay lang ko kahit ano sir ah. Approach.
Pwede lang ako naman.
Okay.
Relax ah.
Isa.
I have control, you have communication
I
with
have
approach
control.
1237.
Cebu 03910, left heading 060.
Left heading 060, Cebu 039.
Approach checklist.
Correct.
NH 1002.
1002, seatbelt.
On
Minimum.
Barrow 230.
Runway condition.
Dry set.
On brake. Road checklist complete sir. Fuel sir, we have a pero melt din naman yun. Yung alternate.
Just in case hindi tayo makaano. Go to Melbourne yan. After this, if the conditions will not improve, we'll proceed to Melbourne. We will not risk.
Super 039, turn left heading 330.
Left heading 330, Cebu 039.
Left heading 330.
Super 039, turn left heading 270, cleared ILS runway 25.
Left heading 270, cleared ILS runway 25, Cebu 039.
Chair star, go around altitude 3000.
Check. Director Cebu 039, established ILS 25.
039, thank you. What speed are you doing?
We are now at 180, Cebu 039.
Super 039, thank you. Cebu 039, the wind 270 degrees, 30 knots, cross
500.
15, cleared to land.
Here's the land 25, Cebu 039. Here's the land. Check.
400.
Check. Watch out for wing turbulence also.
Roger.
300. 100 above.
Check.
200. Minimum.
That's it.
Continue. Okay.
110.
Right.
50. 40. 30. 20. Retard.
Runway runway 25.
5.
Turning 300, cleared on up 0.25, careful.
Spoilers. Reverse green. Diesel.
58, ready. 58, 38, today. 58, connect departures. 039, right 10 at Yankee, ground 126, decimal 5.
Right, Yankee 1265, Cebu 039.
Yankee. 1265.
Clear right side.
Clear left side.
Cebu Pacific Air, welcome.
Then left turn on Golf for parking bay 5858.
Right Yankee and left on Golf for 5-8 Park Bay. Cebu 039.
Okay, this is Yankee, next is Golf.
Roger.
Okay, left side.
There's start giving lights.
Check. After landing checklist. 5-8, no?
Yes, sir.
This is 5-7.
Yeah.
This one is 5-8.
Ground yellow, Kilo Foxtrot.
Retracted.
Kilo, Kilo, ground.
Adventure system.
Foxtrot. Crossing through full end.
Ayan. Stop. Brake set. Brake on.
Lead on, brake fan on. 4-8 landed. We have still 1 minute. Yes, sir.
1 and 2.
Check.
Thank you for waiting. You may now stand to get your bags. Maaari na pong tumayo.
Good afternoon, your trucks are in place.
Okay, brakes release. Aircraft okay.
Roger that, thank you. Brakes off and aircraft good, thank you.
Thank you. Checklist, please.
Parking brake or chocks.
Chocks. Set. Brakes release.
Engines.
Off.
Ring lights.
Off.
Fuel pumps.
Off.
Roger.
Cabin crew, doors may be open. Welcome everyone to Sydney. And thank you very much for flying into the Pacific. What a day! What a day! Yeah, we're going to eat lunch. Late lunch. Anong oras na ba yun?
4:40.
Hindi na lunch to. Dinner na. Alright, ito yung puntahan namin dito kasi malapit sa hotel. Dito lang yung hotel namin sa Ibis. Nice steak. Tatabukan yung mga bisikleta.
Back at me. I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems. I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. When I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you.
Got one.
1000.
Check. Continue.
500. 100 above.
Check.
400. Minimum.
Continue.
300. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. 10. 5.
Spoilers. Reverse green. Diesel. This is Romeo 4, Romeo 5. Auto brake.
Auto brake off.
7. Romeo 5, Romeo 6, right Charlie. Romeo 5, Romeo 6, Charlie. Late na bagay, sir. Clear na side. Clear na side. At least nakabawi siya dun sa ano. Sa Sydney.
Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you.
From 1 to 10, you rate Cebu Pacific.
Not 12.
12. 1 to 10.
Yeah, it's good. The service, the stewardess, they're very good. The steward, very
What about the
good.
pilots?
The pilot? Hi, pilot. And the pilot. But first time with the Cebu Pacific for 20 years. This is the first time I come back in Philippines.
How was it?
The service is good. Cebu Pacific, you cannot even feel that it's landing.
Yes!
It's like sort of a spaceship going to the sky. Where's the Cebu Pacific?
Yeah.
But
Cebu
the only
Pacific.
thing is that the seat won't recline. It's not good for people with a sore leg.
Okay.
Due to the CEO. Bye.
Baby,